is Rekody. Rekody is an open source dictation app that I built for myself because, to be honest, I just don't want to pay Whisperflow all the money I pay every month, because I felt like open source models are strong enough that I can build this for myself. So real quickly, what did I build? Well, I just added a Mac app. So basically you can download this if you go to rekody.com, and you can download the Mac application. I'm working on Windows, by the way, but you can download the Mac application and it will run on your local system. So once you set that up, this is how it would look like. All you need to do after you set it up, it's you hold on, you tap Option and spacebar, and a pill like this will show up. And right now I'm holding it with my 2 fingers, and you can see that it has the Obsidian logo there, which shows you where your cursor is, and the cursor is right here. That means once I'm done speaking, it will where will my transcription words be put into? It shows that it's going to be here, and this is just Obsidian, the logo of the application that I have open. And also here just shows you the waveform there, how many minutes you've been speaking, or seconds, or whatever time. And then it shows you also a preview of what you were saying in real time. So that way I'm also able to think and say, hey, I think it's capturing what I'm saying correctly. And you can kind of see that go in there over time. There's this orange thing here if you're wondering. That's just, for me, I added an extra toggle in the settings to show me that, because typically I don't want it to record this peel. If somebody's maybe doing a screen recording of their video, you don't want to record this sometimes because people see what you're saying, which it's whatever, but you can toggle it off. Right now I toggled it on only for demos. When I'm using it, typically I toggle it off so that way it doesn't show up in recordings when I'm using it. So great. So I'm just going to let that go. It's going to transcribe it, and it's going to dump all the stuff that I've been saying here. And it's pretty quick too. It's using Parakeet from there. And the other thing too you can do with it is you can do Options and space and have your hands free as well. So that way I can get up, talk, walk around without holding the button down, which is great. And also you can move this peel around. So that's the cool part. So this doesn't have to block your view. So you can move it around, put it somewhere differently, and keep talking until you're done. And then when I'm done, again, I'm just going to come here and hit Option, space, and it's done. And it dumps everything in there. So it's pretty good. It works for me. The other cool thing that I like to do with it, I'll share next time, is I save all my transcriptions. That means all the word I'm saying in voice and also the transcribed version, it's saving it locally on my system. And it's also, there's a UI that I've created for it. It saves it on locally. You can then go back and edit specific things that it got wrong, which usually is. So that's what I'm experimenting with. This is for fun. I hope you like it. If you like it, please feel free to use it. And if you have any questions, if you're using it, let me know as well. Cheers.